What's up, online shoppers? I know we talk about needing to make kids' lunches fun, but how about making our own lunches fun? This one here is the Bentgo Classic Adult Stackable Lunchbox. And I have this for my lunch, but this would be great for a teenager as well. Let's open this up and see what it's like. Now, I have been using Bentgo lunchboxes since I started buying them for my children back in 2014. These are a quality product that definitely stands the test of time, and they're super, super durable. Now, here is one of the coolest things about Bentgo. They have a little strap to hold the lunchbox together. Now, it's stackable, but it's also compact. Now, all you have to do to get into your lunchbox is actually just slide this off the side like that, and you've got a way to keep your lunch boxes together. Now, this is just a decorative strap. This isn't a buckle that opens. It just is a strap that holds your lunch box together. Now, here's why I keep coming back to the adult stackable lunch boxes again and again. First of all, it's really pretty. I love the marble top. The color of the pink with the marble is really classic. And watch this. I take the top off. There's my utensils. So now I don't have to remember to pack a fork or a spoon or a knife. I always have one right here. They are reusable. They are plastic. They're nice. They're not something that I wouldn't want to use. And you just click them into place like that so that you have your utensils when you need them. The lid opens up really easy, and it's segmented off so that you can put whatever you want in here. Now, this isn't leak proof as far as like contents in here can mix with the contents in here, but there is a really nice silicone gasket all the way around the top. So even if you have things in here that are wet or have moisture, as long as you have this and this little strap to keep it sealed, you're not going to have anything leaking out. Now, if we open up the bottom here, that also has a nice little seal, and then you have a place to put whatever else you want in here. What I like this for is veggies and a wrap. So I will make myself a wrap and put my wrap in here, and then on this side here, I will put some veggies or some cheese and crackers because it keeps it separated, but it all fits together in one neat little compact unit. A couple things about these Bentgo. These are not like the kids Bentgo. The kids Bentgo that I have, you could take the trays out, toss them in the microwave, toss them in the dishwasher. It's not going to matter. This is a little bit more delicate. The company recommends that you don't microwave the lid or the divider tray here or the elastic strap. So if you're going to do any warming up of your food, you should be taking the lid off and warming it in one of the two trays. The adult Bentgo lunchboxes also have a lot of choice as far as color goes. There's 8 different color combinations for you to choose from, and all of them have this really cool marble look on the top. The bases are a different color: purple, green, blue, yellow. Really nice. Now, I love the versatility of this little container. I love the convenience of having my utensils right here where I want them, and I love that I have everything all in one with this really cute little strap to connect everything all together. It's lunch that doesn't take up a lot of space when it's put in your lunchbox. Like, I can just grab this and toss it in my lunchbox, and then everything is really nice and contained. Dimensions wise, it is 7 inches wide and it's 4 inches tall in total. So each one of these, this one's about 1.5 inches, and this one here is about 2 inches. So you do have a little bit of difference size wise, but basically it's a nice compact little lunchbox that allows you to separate your food and hold it all together with this really adorable little stylish strap. So if you were looking for a way to jazz up your own lunch, whether it's for your teen or for yourself, these adult Bentgo lunchboxes are cool. They are stackable. They come with their own utensils. You can separate your food. You can microwave the bases of each of these, but not the lid, the tray, or the elastic. And they are a go-to for me. Definitely a family favorite at my house.